When the Colts are playing and now that the Pacers are back in season, we need lots of recipes and ideas for game day food. And thankfully, Erica is back in the kitchen with Chefski telling us about lamb lollipops.
That's right. He actually breaks down a whole rack of lamb into individual lollipops. Cannot wait for you to see it. And if you have any special events coming up, he can be your personal chef. We're here at Sophie B Estates on another installment, putting gourmet twists on game day recipes with Chefski, right here. This guy. What are we making today?
We're doing lamb lollipops. I just broke down some lamb chops, whole lamb rack. This is New Zealand lamb, and I Frenched the bone down, so we took off the fat and the meat that's on the bone, and it's just gonna be a nice little lollipop. We're gonna make a simple garlic, balsamic, olive oil, basil, mint marinade that these can sit in for an hour or even overnight or several days. Depends on how long you want them to be happy. So we'll make this marinade real quick, and we'll start with some garlic.
Okay.
And actually the olive oil and balsamic are right there, but I've got it right here. So we'll just incorporate this. And there's some thyme in this as well. And we'll put the chiffonade of basil, which is just thin ribbons, is a chiffonade. You're learning all these fun French terms.
I am.
And actually, we could probably use a little bit more olive oil, so that the black one.
Really get in there.
So we've got our basil, mint, garlic, thyme, balsamic, and olive oil.
Oh. Heavenly.
And yes, we're gonna make the lamb happy. So,
make it happy.
yeah, we'll get this in here. A good thing to use when you're marinating is gallon bags. So you can just throw all that product in there, throw your marinade in there, and
Really?
Yeah.
Nice and simple. Anybody can do it. All right, this lamb is looking beautiful. What have we done so far?
Well, we've got our marinade on it, the balsamic, olive oil, garlic, and herb marinade. It can sit for an hour or it can sit for a couple of days, depending on how long you want it to be happy. So I'm ready to throw them on the grill right now, and then we can plate them and we can have our lamb lollipops.
Yes, I cannot wait to try those. If you guys want him to come to your home, how can they get a hold of you?
You can check out the website. It's mychefski.com. or Facebook, Twitter, Chefski, Laskowski, or you can just give me a call direct, 317-258-4587. I do intimate two-person parties, or 20-person hors d'oeuvre parties, or 200-person weddings. So whatever fits your fancy.
It was an absolute pleasure to see Chefski in his element here on In the Loop, making handcrafted pierogies with a little caramelized onion, imperial oatmeal stout, some Danish blue cheese, and Gouda buffalo chicken dip. I know, I'm killing her right now.
You are. I'm really so hungry.
And these lamb lollipops tonight. We cannot wait to see what else Chefski has.
Well, now that you are all hungry as well, it's time to get excited for the $25 gift card to Pure Eatery. There's 2 locations, Fishers and Fountain Square. So coming up, we're going to tell you how you can win this bad boy, and also $50 to the Old Shadeland Antique Mall. Christmas come early.